night, everybody. Happy Sunday to you all. Sunday the 2nd of August 2026. Day 168, the Chilli Grop. Coming to you live from sunny Weston-super-Mare. Marvellous day, probably about 22 degrees. Just having a walk on the beach, a cigar. We're going to have a little gamble on the slot machines. Grab a drink. Maybe grab a little something to eat before we head back for the day. Hope you're doing well. Hope everything's awesome for you and having a great Sunday. We'll be right back with you shortly, back in Bromsgrove, and we'll have a little look at them plants. Isn't that right, Lucy? Well, good morning, my dear. Yeah? You ready for some eggs? It's a little bit different today, isn't it? Yeah? Here you go. Dig in. Alright, we are back. We have just returned. It's been a bit of a delay getting back. Traffic jams and chaos with the car. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening, so I've got to do a quick run through, make sure these plants are alright and get this video uploaded to you guys. I apologise for last night. Yesterday I set the video uploading at 3 in the afternoon. It wasn't until about 1 o'clock this morning that it finally came through. I don't know what happened with YouTube, or I don't know what happened with my computer, the signal, the building we're in, I'm not sure. I do apologise. So it's not the algorithm, it's not YouTube messed up. The daily videos did come through, but it popped up, I'd say, about 2 minutes past midnight today, so it will mess the daily amount up. It was done in the day, you know what I mean. So let's do this, shall we, Lucy? Let's have a check through and let's get this day wrapped in. So we're going to do just a quick overview. Everything's looking all right. The soil is very dry. It was about 22 degrees yesterday, and today has been about 27 degrees. So as you can see, very droopy leaves. I don't know how windy it was, but I think this is just dry soil. They need a drink, as you can see. But what I'm going to do is we'll just have a quick check through, and what I would rather do is in the morning, first thing in the morning, probably go up about 5-6 a.m, just around sunrise, and we're going to get them all watered. Maybe a little bit of fertilizer, but I think it'll be just water. Got some ghost peppers here, look. They've done so well. Look at the size of these down here. Again, our cayennes are doing great. Our jalapeños, they're looking delicious, getting bigger. And then we've got our sweet banana, as you can see, very droopy on the leaves. Dry soil, so he's getting a drink in the morning. But for now, we can have a little look at all these peppers, look. They're all hiding in the back. That one hasn't changed, so I do think it is a bit of sun scald, but we'll keep an eye on it. Hopefully it's not that dreaded blossom ender. So moving around the striped peppers, they're looking great. Lots of new flowers. Blooming nicely. And then we've got our sugar rush peach stripey down here. Let's see how those peppers are looking. Oh, they've got bigger. Considerably bigger. They've probably doubled in the last 48 hours, I think. Got more popping in here. Yeah. That's the biggest one, but yeah. Phenomenal. Sugar rush peach stripey. So our smaller cayenne, just loaded. Desperate for a drink, as you can see. I think they're going to get their morning drink. I think it's going to be alright for them today. Zebrange with our flower tops. Our habanero in the back there. Huge. And starting to get lots and lots of new buds on the top. Excellent. Our Bueno Mulata. All these new ones starting to appear. See all them in the back. Just looking wonderful. And here's our Poblano. Just loaded. See all the flowers, the buds. And then the pods. Look at these. That one's going to be ready soon, I think, and that one in the back. Cannot wait to try a Poblano. Our smaller plants. That's a mystery one there, looking very nice. Who knows what that's going to be? We've got a ghost here. That's a Reaper. Looking great. And then we've got two Murch Masalas, looking a bit thirsty. But look, getting some flower heads on there. Now we've got our two ghosts here in the little pots. Look how well they're doing. We've got flowers. We're going to be getting some peppers soon. Same with this one here. Phenomenal. And here we are at the back here. Just lovely. And our little plants. The black jalapeno, loads of new flowers, and check them out. Insane. There's one behind them. And then these ones, just finishing turning, look. The tip and a bit at the top. Beautiful. Our other Bueno Mulata. Starting to get some nice peppers coming through now. Beautiful. And then here, another black jalapeno. But we're getting lots. See them all? Well, these are pointing up a lot more than the other one. Yeah, loads in the back there. So many flowers on the top. Just excellent. This Zimbabwe Black is just gone crazy. No peppers yet, but it can't be too long now. Now let's go on to our other ghost pepper. Lots of new heads. Needs a drink for sure. And I do need to check in on this one. Is that turning red or is that going a bit too brown? I think we're going to know in the next day or two. But huge, huge peppers. Look at them all. They have just exploded. Oh, there's that one there as well. Massive. Our dream catchers. Just growing really well. Nothing new yet, but just blooming out nicely. And here's a Padron. Look at all those flower heads coming through. And check these out. Look at these. These have come out of nowhere. It's fantastic. Look at these. I need to check. I think they're pretty much ready now. Green and at the right size. Yeah, another Cayenne here. Lots of new ones starting to form. There we go. There's an Armageddon. Looking lovely. And our smaller pot Cayenne is just loaded up. Beautiful. So there we go, that wraps up the day. Just a quick run through, make sure everybody's looking okay. Some new peppers forming, lots of new surprises there. They're going to be ready for a drink. Well, they're ready now, but I'd rather just do it in the morning. So I've got the whole day to get that all soaked in with the sunrise and sunset going. Do that tomorrow, first thing. Just today, it's a little late to be going through this. I'd rather do this in the morning and we'll be all set. So thank you all so much for joining us. Again, my apologies for the upload delay. It should have all gone through about 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon. I don't know what happened, but it's okay, isn't it? It got through in the end. It made it in the end, so no real complaints. Just a little bit frustrating, isn't it? You take care of yourselves, okay? Thank you all. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. I hope you've had a wonderful weekend and a great Sunday. And I hope it continues for the rest of the week. You take care. We'll see you Monday. Thank you all.